In this video, you will learn how to use Schedule Planner. First, go to our website at calcitla.edu and then click on Menu. Then click on My CalCitLA. Go ahead and log in. Under the Launchpad, click on Get. On the main menu, click on Self-Service. Once in Self-Service, click on Student Center. Under Student Center, click on Schedule Planner. Now click on Open Schedule Planner. But in order for this to work, make sure to remove your pop-up blockers. Please select the correct term and then click Save and Continue. You have different options at the top. You can search for classes by clicking Change, for open classes only, open and full with waitlist open, open and full. You can also search by academic group. You can also change the term if needed. Once we go back to face-to-face instruction, you can also choose what instruction mode you would like. Now let's add some courses. Click on Add Course, and in this example, we're going to search by course attribute. If it does not have a course attribute, look for lower division, then the subject, the course number, and then click Add Course. Your courses will be added on the right side. Then exit out and look for the next one. Repeat all those steps until you have added all the courses recommended to you. Once you're done, hit back and you'll see all of your courses listed. You can also add breaks. You can add breaks such as work, or maybe you want to sleep in and not have early classes. Go ahead and enter the time that you would like and the days for it to apply to. Once you have added all your courses and breaks, you can click on Generate Schedules and it will give you a list of class schedules based on your selections. You can click on View to see what the class schedule will look like, and you can even compare it to other class schedules. Once you see a class schedule that you'd like, click on Send to Shopping Cart. Return to the page where you clicked on Open Schedule Planner and now click on Course Enrollment. Your courses will now appear in your cart. Please note that a course status is indicated by the symbol next to it. A green circle means the class is open, a blue square means the class is closed, a yellow triangle means the class is closed but has a waitlist you can add to. To continue enrolling, click on Proceed to Step 2 of 3 and then click on Finish Enrolling. If you receive an X, then that means that you are unable to add the class. Please read the error message and refer to our error message handout on how to resolve the issue. If you have a green check, that means that you were able to add the class. We hope this was helpful, but if you still have questions, EOP counselors are here to help.